The view
Okay,
is data manager. I'm going to show you the process how to create, how to add a new field to the table
Okay.
without going through the code.
Script.
Okay,
Okay.
without changing the code of a QlikSense. So say I have this order table. This is order table.
Okay. Okay.
We have here some dimensions and some measures.
Okay.
I'll choose this order detail. Okay, in the order detail, I do have this unit price and this is quantity. So I
Yeah.
created this total price, which is
Yeah.
not. I have not
Coming
written a
from.
single code over here. So it is create added and it is shaped in the inline memory only. Hmm. So I just want to add one more field.
Okay. Here you have edit. Okay. Okay.
Yes, edit option, edit
This
this
will
table.
go. This will go into the script, Amit. This total column will go into the script after
No,
you add, or it is
it is not
logical only.
reflect. It is logically residing. Okay.
It will not be there in the script.
Yes.
Okay.
It is just like it is saving in the front end, just like in ClickView or in
Yes.
other in
Okay.
Tableau in other technology. You
Okay.
create calculated field which is not physically affecting to your tables, neither your
Yeah.
data model.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So it is not affecting to your data model. It is residing
Mm.
just like a master objects.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'm going to edit it. I have this total field, total price. I'll just add one more field, say price inclusive of 15% of VAT. Okay. So in order to create one more field in the table on the fly without changing the field in the data model in the edit script, so you can add a calculated field here. This is called calculated field. Okay. So this feature is quite relevant as with Tableau. In Tableau we can create any number of calculated field or calculated expressions which is not going to be physically changing your data model, or you don't have to touch any script in the data model. So on the fly you can create, and it is completely console based. You don't have to write a single code also. So create a
Mm.
calculated field. The field name is price, GST. Okay, price inclusive of GST. Now here is a window where you can write the expressions. So I even don't have to write anything because I may wrong. I may make the spelling mistakes. So what I can do, total price is here. See, total price is coming up here, but total price is not updating in the script, right? It is a logical entity basically. So this calculated field is coming off. I can further use it in another calculations as well. Am I make sense? I've created a calculated field. I can further use or inherit in another calculation as well. So total price plus total price. I'll use operand multiply into 0.15. This is going to, you can do, so it's showing error 15 divided by 100. I'll just use 100. So it is the same, right? Like if it is 200 and 15% of 200 is 30, right? So 30, then it would be, this is the total price, 200 is 30. So the total price plus the taxable value, which is 30. So the total value will be 230. Okay. So now this is the calculation. Now you can create it. It is created another field in the data model, and it is completely logically residing in the data model. It is not affecting to my tables data, neither my script. Okay. So to load the data, I can see this would be there in the data model. There was a synthetic key which we have added in the line number actually. So here we have order detail, and in the order detail table, I'll just remove that line number to avoid the synthetic key. Load data. Zero synthetic key. So there is now only one column which is order ID, which is making the relationship between tables. And you see the changes we made in the data model, in the data manager, that was reflecting there only, but it is not impacting to our script. Are you getting any changes in the script? No, we did in the changes in the order detail table only, but it is not changing here. Data load failed, receive problem and refresh the data. Resolve problem and refresh the data. Now I will just load the data again, so that I want these tables to be reflected in the data model. The changes in the table I made to be reflected in the data model. Data was loaded successfully. All right. So let's see in the order detail table over here. I've got this field, total price extra and price inclusive of VAT. This is perfectly fine now.